Hello, my friends in Canada. I hope I didn't miss it. I wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you're all having a nice Thanksgiving meal and enjoying your families. I hope the weather's good for you, and that's it. Um, Dave, I tried to call you last night, but I had your wrong phone number. So I guess you're not listed or something. But anyway, so I'll PM you. And let's see what else. Okay. I was having a marathon seizure day on Saturday. And so I got up once to go to the restroom, and it was one of those things, the door was shut, and I knew I was going to have a seizure, so I got down on the floor. And I must have passed out because my son said I was in there for a half hour. And he says I wasn't making any sense. And he said, "Do you want me to call the hospital?" And I said, "Yes, but I have no idea that he said that." Because I was completely unconscious. And he said, "Do you want me to go?" And I said, "Yes." And the paramedics got me there, and it took them a while to get me out of that little bathroom. I had my helmet on. But anyway, I couldn't move my left side. It was paralyzed, and that's never happened before. It's called Todd's paralysis, and a seizure sets it off, and it doesn't last very long. Um, but even yesterday, my leg was still weak, very weak. And I got home, I got in the wheelchair, and I pushed myself in the wheelchair using my left foot. And so that's how you exercise if you have partial paralysis in your legs. I figured that one out. It's been in the 80s. My poor little wintertime beans are they're growing, but they won't flower until it gets colder. So I'm sorry about that. And to all you peeps, it's going to take me forever to catch up, and I don't think I'm going to try. I think I'm going to have to pick up where I left off. And so let's get to it. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.